how to use VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am going to be telling you how you can use the VLOOKUP function within Google Sheets. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So VLOOKUP is a function that you can use in either Google Sheets or even in Excel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use it. So over here, as you can see, we have this little chart or table or data, whatever you want to call it, and you can see right here on the left side we have some cookies and we have some pricing, and over here I want to go ahead and fill this section out with the exact same pricings of the cookies over here. So the easy way would be to just copy the price and paste them one by one, but that might take a while because usually I have these in, ascending orders. Like, you can see right here, they're all in the exact same position. But what if they were not in this same sorting? They would be upside down or, whatever you want to call it. Then I would have to go ahead and check out, okay, classic chocolate chip is over here. Its pricing is over here. And let's say classic chocolate chip is down here. I would have to put that. It would be a hassle and it would be a headache. And that is where the VLOOKUP function comes in and it'll help us out. So, again, easy thing would be just copy one by one and it'll take too long. So we're going to fix that. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to come over here and we're going to put the is equal button, and it's going to be VLOOKUP. So we're going to type in VLOOKUP. We're going to click on it. And now we have a couple of options. We have the search key. This is going to be what it is or the key item that you're searching for. So we have flavors. So this is going to be the flavors over here. So we have classic chocolate chip. We're going to make sure we add the exact same flavor over here. And since we have double chocolate, we're going to select double chocolate. Then we have range. Range is going to be from which part of the table that you want to search. So range is going to be, since our table begins over here from 2A, we're going to select 2A all the way down to B16. So this is going to be our whole range. Index is going to be what column you're looking for. So since this is column A and then column B is going to be 2. So that is going to be the index. We're going to add 2, and then is sorted. Basically, we're going to leave that as false. We're not gonna leave it as default. We're gonna type in false. So let's get into it. Key search is gonna be double chocolate chip or chocolate chunk cookie. Make sure you type that over here. So we're gonna go with double cookie. That is our main option. That's the whole flavor actually. Then we're gonna hit comma. Range is gonna be from this entire column, so we're going to select, hold down, so A2 to B16, that is going to be range. And then again a comma. Index is going to be 2, since this is the second option, so we're going to select 2. This is the 2 column right here, since A is going to be 1, B is going to be 2, and if you have like multiple different, then it's going to be 3, 4, 5, 6. You get the idea. 2 is going to be the second one, which we have the information for price, comma again, and then we're going to select false. We're going to type in false, and then we're going to close it up with a closed bracket or parentheses, and this is our function. Then we're going to hit enter. Also forgot one thing. This happens whenever you're adding a formula. If you forget one thing, it'll just mess up. I forgot to add the double quotation marks over here. So there we go. Now it's giving me the price $3. So there you go. This is how it looks like. So now over here, we have the double chocolate chunk cookie. It's giving me the price over here. Sorry, actually, oh no, I'm messing it up. There we go. So now, what if we wanted to know about the peanut butter, right? The price for the peanut butter. So for that, all we got to do is just type in is equal VLOOKUP. And now I'll just select the peanut butter and hit enter. This time we're going to go with a cell reference. The first one was, of course, the one that we did. This was for the specific name. Now we want cell reference. So we're going to again hit VLOOKUP. As you can see, it automatically detected all the formula for all the other, flavors, formula suggestions over here, which is pretty cool. But if you don't want that, if you just want to apply it differently, we'll click on VLOOKUP. Now we want this option. Then again, column, we're going to select the range, column, comma, sorry, not column, comma, 2, comma, false, close the parentheses, and there you go. This is the formula. This is a much simpler option. So now what does this do? For example, if it was a different name over here, instead of peanut butter delight, it was, let's say, lemon sugar cookie. Let's add that lemon sugar cookie. Again, the price changed from $2.75 to $2.50. It automatically detected what we were doing. So this is a much better option. This way, once you have applied the formula on all of these cells, right, whatever the price that you want to add over here, you can go ahead and add them. So for example, let's say it's white chocolate macadamia nut. We'll copy that, paste it over here, got the price over here. Same thing for salted caramel, paste that over there, paste that over there. Lemon sugar, we already have that, but again, we'll do that one more time. Triple berry, we'll do it one by one for all the flavors. Classic peanut butter as well. So there we go. So looks pretty simple, looks pretty clean, I would say. And yeah, after that, you can also, again, we'll sort this out and put it in the center. There you go. So now what you can do is, all you got to do is apply the formula, or well, whatever, formula you have. You can go ahead and type in the flavor of the cookie or whatever product it is, and it'll automatically give you the price over here instead of just going ahead and copying and pasting the price over and over again. Pretty simple, right? Again, it'll work for different options, right? Let's say if you have other options, instead of cookies over here, you have like a box. So a box of cookies will have 4 cookies, and then the price for that is going to be multiplied by this one, and that's so you can mess around with it however you want, change the prices however you want, and it'll just work out on its own. VLOOKUP is a very cool function to have. So yeah, there are other ways to apply it, but I think this one is the most simplest version, so you won't have to do it. Again, it's very simple. So this one was the flavor option. This one is more of a specified cell option right here. You can see right here, D4. So yeah, it's pretty cool. If you were to, let's say, add more option to it, right? Let's say we wanted to add like a new flavor, right? Dark chocolate. It's going to be like $4. How do you change the column? Well, again, we come over here. Instead of A2 to B16, we'll just increase it to B17. So go ahead and add B17. It'll automatically select it, the range, and there you go. So I'll just go ahead and pull this down. And over here, I also wanted to check they all have the B16 option instead of, if I wanted to have like a B17. There you go. And I'll apply the exact same formula on all of the rows. So now if I add dark chocolate, $4 is the price right here. So yeah, there you go. Pretty cool. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification, as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online, or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.